Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by unboxing the Ledger hardware wallet and connecting it with the provided USB-C cable. Power on and follow on-screen steps to choose a 4-8-digit PIN. Never reuse or share that PIN. The device will display a 24-word recovery phrase, one word at a time. Write each word in order on the supplied card and store copies in 2 separate offline locations. Confirm the firmware version shown on device matches the official release before installing apps. Keep Bluetooth disabled and use USB-C for secure connections. Open the official Ledger Companion software on your computer and connect the device with USB-C. Install only the official Ledger apps and confirm app signatures displayed by the manager. Use the device to create new accounts or to restore from a 24-word recovery phrase. All account creation and key derivation happen on device. When receiving or sending crypto, verify transaction details on the device screen and approve with physical button presses. Keep app count minimal, check available storage, and uninstall unused apps to reduce attack surface. For daily transactions, always connect the Ledger via USB-C and verify the full recipient address on the device screen before approving. Never trust clipboard or host software alone. Approve transactions only after confirming amounts and fees on device. Backups are the 24-word recovery phrase. If you lose the device, recover funds by entering that phrase on a new Ledger or a compatible hardware wallet. Never type the phrase into a phone or computer. Regularly update firmware, enable passphrase if desired, and store recovery words offline in at least 2 secure locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.